Hello, I'm Maya. Today is my first day at a new job, and honestly, I'm nervous. What if I make a mistake? What if I don't understand someone? What if nobody talks to me? I'm excited too, but right now, my stomach feels funny. Have you ever felt that way? Come with me. Let's practice English together. It is 7 in the morning. Maya wakes up early. She looks at her new work clothes. She smiles. Then she looks nervous. Today is my first day. I hope everything goes well. Maya eats breakfast. She checks her bag. Phone? Yes. Notebook? Yes. Water bottle? Yes. She is ready. Maya arrives at her office. The building is big. Many people are walking inside. Maya takes a deep breath. What do you think will happen? Will Maya make a new friend today? Then she enters. At the front desk, she sees a receptionist.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. My name is Maya. Today is my first day.
Welcome, Maya. Please go to the second floor. Your manager is waiting for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's look at some words from Maya's first day. Receptionist. The receptionist said, "Good morning. Can I help you?" A receptionist welcomes visitors. Manager. Mrs. Sarah is Maya's manager. A manager leads a team. Office. Maya works in an office. An office is a place where people work. Floor. Maya went to the second floor. A floor is a level in a building. Excellent. Let's continue the story. Maya goes upstairs. A woman smiles at her. She's Maya's new manager. Hello, Maya. I'm Sarah. Welcome to the team. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you today? I'm a little nervous. That's okay. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. Maya feels better. Sarah shows Maya around the office. Now, repeat after Maya. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you today? How are you today? I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Excellent. Later, Maya meets her coworkers.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. Thank you.
No problem.
The coworkers are friendly. Maya starts to relax. Yes, please is a phrase you use when you want something. For example, would you like tea? Yes, please. No, thank you is a phrase you use when you do not want something. For example, would you like coffee? No, thank you. The manager gives Maya her first task. Please organize these files. Okay, I can do that. Maya looks at the files. There are many of them. For a moment,
she feels nervous again. But she takes a deep breath and starts carefully. Maya works carefully. She reads each file. She puts them in the correct place. After some time,
Great job, Maya.
Thank you. Maya feels happy. Her first task is complete. A task is a piece of work to do. A file is a collection of papers or information. To organize means to put things in order. Carefully means doing something with attention. At lunch, Maya sits with her coworkers. They talk and laugh together.
Where do you live?
I live near the city center.
That's nice. Do you like this city?
Yes, I do. I like it very much.
Maya is making new friends. Listen carefully. What does Maya say? A. I am tired. B. I like it very much. C. I don't know. Correct. B. I like it very much. Great job. The day goes by quickly. Soon it is time to go home. Mrs. Sarah, the manager, talks to Maya.
You did very well today.
Thank you. I learned a lot.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Maya leaves the office. This morning she was nervous. Now she feels confident. Her first day was a success. Today, Maya started a new job. She met new people. She learned new things. And she became more confident. At the beginning of the day, Maya felt nervous. But at the end of the day, she felt confident. That's what happens when we keep practicing. What about you? Have you ever felt nervous on your first day at work? Write your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like more everyday English you can use in real life, the next video on your screen is a great place to continue. Practice those sentences with me, and I'll see you in the next episode.